that shit don't change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations.
What is up, my little jelly beans? So today I'm going to be talking about how I naturally grow my lips. I've been doing this for a year and a month now, so I can tell you that this is like a true review. So today I will be talking about candy lips. I heard about this last year, like in January. It looked really cool how like the lips were coming out before and after, and I've gotten my lips done before and I liked it. But I feel like I like this better because it's a lot cheaper, first of all. And second, it's just, you see more results. Like you could control how your lips look. I know there's gonna be a couple people commenting like this is a Kylie lip challenge, but honestly, it's the same idea of it, but it's a lot more safer where you can get like really bad damage to your lips and the blood vessel. You won't get that. This has been like clinically proven that it's like safe. It's so worth it, honestly. Let me give you like a little story behind before I started doing this. The first time I got my lips done, I got half a syringe. So half a syringe isn't a lot, and the type of chemical, because there's two different like type of injections you get. I got like a water-based injection where it's more natural for your lips. So I got my top lip done in August 2016. And then like 2 months later, I went back and got another half a syringe in October because I felt like it wasn't completely full. So basically I got one full syringe of lip injection on both of my lips, but mainly on my top lip. So within those 2 months, I ended up getting a full syringe. And then within like 3 more months, I felt like I didn't have the injection anymore. Like it just didn't feel like I had full lips. I don't know. Especially the injection that I got, it's more of a water-based injection. So if you're drinking a lot of like coffee or alcohol or a lot of caffeine, the injection kind of just wears off more quicker than normal. So it could go based off like how much you're drinking and everything. So, and how much water you drink too. So it can go from like 6 to 9 months. But for me, it felt like it was just more like 6 months, a little bit less maybe. And I felt like I just wasted so much money because if you think about it, I spent like probably $600 in total. You know, I paid almost $300 the first time, and then 2 months later I paid like another almost $300. I don't remember how much I paid. So I felt like that was just so much. I just feel so happy when I have my lips a lot fuller, and I understand that it's more of a cosmetic thing. Like it's just not that I'm insecure about them. I just want to have my lips fuller. Within time, your lips naturally grow 36% of what their natural lip shape is. So I think that's really cool. This is $49.99. There is different types of candy lips. There's like the apple one, and then there's like a green apple. Those are for like smaller lips, and then the blue one is for like if you have bigger lips and then you still want to make it more fuller. So I got the blue one because I feel like I do have full lips. I've used this so much that this kind of ripped already. But honestly, like I think I'm due for a new one. I honestly don't mind having to repurchase a new one once a year for $50. This is honestly nothing compared to what I actually spent for 6 months. I feel like this is so much better because you get to control how big you want your lips and how fuller you want them. I only do it for about 2 minutes. You just take this off and you can do both lips, and then you put this back on and you could do both lips at the same time. For me, in my opinion, I don't like to do that because I feel like I get more results when I do it one at a time. So I put this thing back on. But you just put it like this and then you put it in. It suctions in your lips and it just feels like, it doesn't feel like any pain or anything, so you're okay. But I like to use it one at a time, so I'll put this back in to show you right now in a bit. I want to see if I can buy just this because this is working perfectly fine. I just need to repurchase this because I don't have to spend the whole $50, but who knows, even if I have to buy a whole new set, I'm completely fine with it, honestly. So right now my boyfriend has a baseball game, so we're gonna go do that. So before I even get ready, I just got out of the shower. My hair is still kind of wet still. Before I put my makeup on or anything, this is the first thing I do before anything, because you don't want to have any makeup around your lips, because this will ruin it. Like, it will literally smear all over your foundation and everything. So you want to do it before anything, and you don't want to wear lipstick or anything. Also, I like to exfoliate my lips before I do any of that. The way I clean it is I go ahead and either use two different things. I'll use it in a dishwasher, like I'll put it in there and let it do its job, or I'll just put like the dish soap and I just kind of like put it in there and like that, you know. Or I'll go ahead and get rubbing alcohol, and I have it in a little spray bottle, and I'll just go ahead and spray it in there and spray this and then just let it dry up. It's very important to clean it, because since your lips have bacteria like the saliva and everything, you need to like maintain that, because if you're reusing it, you're gonna get like, you're gonna break out eventually, and plus that's really gross because that's a lot of bacteria within time. So make sure you maintain it and clean it very well. I've talked about all the pros right now. Like, this is like the best thing ever for me. I love how you get results really quick. I love how it's easy to maintain. It's so cheap, $50 for a whole year to use. You get to control how big you want your lips to be. I don't know, this, like, that's all the pros that I can say. Like, it's really cool how it works. The cons would be that I have to do it twice a day to maintain my big lips. So I wake up in the morning and I'll do it for a few minutes on both lips, and then at nighttime right before bed I'll do it on both lips. The reason why I like to do it at nighttime, it's just so I can maintain the natural lip growth, where they say it's going to be 36% of my lips growing within time. So I like to just keep maintaining that. I haven't used the plumper for like 3 days now. So this is how my lips are, really natural. Like, there's no plump at all. The first 2 weeks when you first buy it, you will get a little bit of bruising around your lips just because you're not used to it. But as long as you just do it for like 10 seconds, and then tomorrow do it for another 30 seconds, and then the next day do it for like a minute, and then within the second week do 2 more minutes, or I mean do 2 minutes in total. So for you don't have to like bruise it really quick. Because for me, right away, I was like, okay, 2 minutes and 2 minutes on both lips, and I got like this bruise. And then the bruise went away within like a couple hours, but still, I don't want any bruises. I recommend doing that, kind of work your way into like building up the time. So that's like the only cons I can say, and just like you have to clean it. But I don't think it's a big deal for me. I honestly love this so much. Like, obviously, I don't have it, but it says that it's able to clear up the wrinkles of older lips. This helps clear it up within time also. So for mature lips out there, I recommend doing this. Compared to like my lip injections, where I spend $300 for a little slightly lip, I will put a picture right here so you guys can see it. The difference right here where it's not much. But for $300 for just a couple months, it's not worth it. And this 50 bucks, it's so amazing. I will make sure to put the website down below so you guys can go ahead and click the link and you guys can buy one if you guys like. I am not sponsored, once again. This one is like the Angelina Jolie one, and then this is the one I bought, which is like just one lip on the bottom. Before anything, I'm gonna scrub my lips real quick. Squeeze as much as you can here. So I'm just gonna put my top lip into this little hole right here.
Since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young.
Okay, so you see how it's kind of like a little bit more plumped. Within a couple minutes, it'll calm down and it'll go to like a natural form of my lips. But look at that, like it's just kind of like, this is just for 2 minutes, and my lips, there's a difference. I do have this little mark where it will go away, so don't have to worry about that. And now I'm going to do my bottom lip real quick. See how it's like really plumpy right now? And it should go away. Like, this one's already calming down, and then this one will calm down right now too. And then for me, like what I prefer, I like to do it one more time on my top lip, just for like probably 30 seconds, just to kind of leave it a little bit more fuller than my bottom lip once they all like calm down. So also, this is kind of like the lip injection where if you drink a lot of coffee, alcohol, caffeine, this will also make it calm down more, and then you're gonna have to do it again more, which I always drink coffee. So if you already have your lips injected, you're not supposed to be using the lip plumper that I'm using, because when I first got the lip plumper, I feel like I still had a little bit of lip filler in it. So when I would do it, you can kind of feel the injection inside your lips kind of moving, so you wouldn't have like a natural lip. You would have like the lip filler kind of moved around every single time I would do it. And so one lip would be a little bit bigger than the other one because the filler went to one side. Like you can't control it. So they say not to use it when you have lip fillers already in, so, or lip injection. I don't know if it's the same thing, but yeah, so that's another thing. You have to wait until your lip injection is fully like out and done before you even start using the lip plumper. Then within a couple minutes, it starts to calm down and then it gets to like your lip shape. So that's what I've been doing for the past year. No one has even questioned me on my Instagram pictures or my other videos about my lips. So I feel like no one even noticed it. Like even then, I think that's pretty cool. So it's not like I'm exaggerating about my lips or anything. This is how I make my lips a lot fuller. I can control it to do a little bit more less, and I can control it if I want to do a lot more. So that's up to you guys. If you guys want it a little bit like this, and if you guys want to like this. So yeah, and I know I'm gonna start getting hates on this video because, oh, that's like so fake of you for having like, you know, lip fillers or lip injections or lip plumper. But like, I'm gonna do what I want to do. I feel happy when I get my lips full, and I know there's other girls out there or even guys out there who want to have fuller lips without getting the injections or without breaking your bank. So that's like what I recommend doing, and it's a lot more natural. I'm just out here trying to help others out there who are trying to get their lips fuller like mine. And yeah. And if you guys are wondering where I got this robe, this is from Victoria's Secret. I got it like 2 years ago, so I don't know if they still have it. I'm pretty sure they have like other cool designs. And if you guys thought this video was good, if I helped you guys on trying to get your lips fuller and you guys thought this was a very good advice, give me a thumbs up. If you guys think it's like a Lip Kylie Jenner challenge, give me a thumbs up. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button to get notified when I'm posting videos. And if I had the money, honestly, I would do lip injections and I wouldn't care. But I'd rather save money and spend it on other stuff and my bills and my dog than lip fillers or lip injections. So this is how my lips look after an hour, and I already did my makeup. I'm about to change to go to the baseball games. I'm comfortable with my lips without the plumper too, but I just feel like I feel myself with my lips like this instead. So yeah, gotta catch that baseball game. Bye!
People